folks, I'm Matt from Fidel Gastro, and I've partnered with our good friends at Bertolli Pasta Sauce who have sponsored this video to bring you my kitchen takeover. Listen, I know family life can get hectic. That doesn't mean you don't deserve a great meal. So I've asked you, some of the busiest families out there, if I can help out. Using only the items in your fridge and 1 jar of Bertolli Pasta Sauce, I'm here to help you bring a little fun back to your dinner. Heather!
Hey!
What's up? How are ya?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good. You ready to
Come
cook?
in. Absolutely. So this is my kitchen.
Wow. What a kitchen.
Thank you.
To
Yeah.
cook here every day. That'd be amazing.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. We're really happy with it.
Well, who are we cooking for tonight?
My daughter Rachel, who's 10. And my daughter Anna, who's
Okay.
13.
Anna, Rachel.
And my husband Steve. Yeah.
Hectic schedule, I'm assuming?
Yeah, crazy. Every night is different, and tonight is Rachel has hockey, Anna has soccer, and they both have to be out of the house at different times. So my challenge is always getting something on the table for them that they like.
Right.
That's healthy, and then getting them out the door.
Well, that sounds like a lot on your plate. So I'm gonna take a little off your plate.
Awesome.
We're gonna make a delicious dinner tonight. Have a little fun with it. It's gonna be simple ingredients using Bertolli Pasta Sauce, and we're all gonna have dinner together.
Great, can't wait.
Well, let's have a look around.
Great.
Let's start with that fridge.
Start with the fridge?
Let's get in there. Ooh, very organized. Lots going on here. I love it, I love it. Okay, let's just get some mozzarella, because can't go wrong with that. Gluten-free breadcrumbs. Sure, why not? I think we have enough stuff to make dinner now.
Awesome, let's do it.
Let's do it. So we have so many great ingredients we got here.
This is amazing.
First I was thinking, you have slider buns, some ground beef, you can make little cheeseburger sliders, but then I'm also seeing eggplant. Using the Bertolli marinara sauce, we can do like an eggplant kind of Parmigiano cheeseburger. Right, so that's one idea. Then on the other side, you still have, the zucchini and the eggplant. We have this pasta, we found all that cheese in your fridge. We could easily use Bertolli 5-cheese pasta sauce and make like a 1-pot big pasta dish. So on one hand, a hearty meal, the other hand, a fun meal, both equally good in my opinion.
Yes, I think I'm gonna go with the sliders.
Good call.
Right? Who doesn't love a good slider?
I know I do.
Yeah, I think my kids will love it.
Okay, good. All right, so let's make our eggplant parm cheeseburger sliders.
We're good to go.
I'm gonna get you to start prepping the garlic and the onions. That's gonna get cooked down first with the sauce. I'm gonna start prepping the eggplant.
Okay.
And we're gonna meet in the middle and make some beautiful cheeseburger happiness.
Nice.
Okay?
Let's do it.
So how often would you say you get a chance to really cook for the fam?
I love to cook, and I try and cook as much as I can. I inevitably always have one that is happy and one that isn't.
Obviously, why would they both be?
Why would they like the same things?
Why would that happen? Because that would just make your life super easy.
Gotta make
right?
it interesting, right?
No, for sure.
Yeah. Friday nights are the nights that the kids don't have anything going on,
Oh,
thank
cool.
God. So that's movie night.
Right.
And that's when we have a proper dinner typically at the table.
Amazing.
And then we decide and fight over what movie we're gonna watch.
Right, as one family should. So this is perfect. This is exactly what we want. I set up my eggplant breading station.
Okay.
Like any breading station, you need 3 things. You need some flour, some egg, and in this case, gluten-free,
gluten-free.
dairy-free, vegan
Yes.
breadcrumbs, which I assumed
With our sliders.
Right, yes.
Is this good?
Perfect. It's like you've done this before.
I have, once or twice.
There you go. So I'm just gonna finish off these eggplant. In the meantime, you wanna start grating that cheese, that mozzarella cheese.
Perfect.
All right, so onions are chopped, garlic's chopped, perfect. I'm gonna brown off the eggplant. Then we're gonna remove it from the pan, get the garlic and onions in that pan with that Bertolli marinara sauce. Once that's nice and warm, we're gonna add the eggplant back. Bake it in the oven. And then once it's been baked, after about 15 minutes, we're gonna remove it and then top it with cheese, melt it up, all gooey gooey, all that fine stuff. All right, smell the sauce is
so
cooking
good.
into that eggplant now. It's perfect.
Yeah.
So really, let's just start forming our beef burgers. Do you want to grab the meat from the fridge?
Yeah, absolutely.
Amazing.
There we go.
Great. Cool. So I'm gonna season the meat. I like to go really simple with my cheeseburgers. Some people do it. The egg thing and the breadcrumb. Nonsense. Just a little bit of salt, a little bit of smoked paprika. All right, look at us go. Burgers are seasoned and formed. Buns have been cut, pulled apart. We're gonna sear off the burgers as well in the cast iron, and when those are almost done, we're gonna top that with provolone cheese.
Nice.
We're gonna build them, we're gonna eat them, we're gonna smile and have a great time.
All good. All good.
Heather, dinner time.
Yeah.
All right, so let's grab those cheeseburgers out of the warming,
drawer
device you have over there, which is very scientific. I'm loving it. And the eggplant is done, and we can just build these together.
Awesome.
Coming in hot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build them on this white plate here.
Perfect.
So we'll put the bottoms down first. Bottoms first. Bottoms up. And then the cheeseburgers are gonna go on top of the bottoms. And then a basil leaf will go on top of the patty, and then the eggplant parm on top of the basil.
So fancy.
Well, I'm only here so often. I might as well do my best,
Can
right?
you come back and do this every week?
Deal.
Sure.
Deal. So this dish is really like the best of both worlds. You have the cheeseburgers that the kids love, then that eggplant parm, but really it's that Bertolli marinara sauce that brings all that awesomeness together. Put it in a bun, crush it. Fantastic stuff. It's gonna be a great meal.
Awesome. Kids are gonna love it.
I had so much fun cooking with Heather and her family today, and I'm so happy we were able to put together a delicious everyday meal. Thank you so much to Bertolli Pasta Sauce for sponsoring this video, and I hope you got some great dinner ideas. And if you did, maybe invite me over.
Matt, this is so good. Mom, can you please make this for me?
Yeah, Mom.
Pressure is on. Yeah, I think we can definitely make these again. They were super easy. You guys can help me make them.
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. In the comments down below, let me know if you guys are in a rush at home, what your favorite thing to cook is. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.